Hello student, welcome back to my channel Thames. Today I will discuss journal. In my earlier videos I mentioned rule of debit and credit, that means golden rules and modern rules used in accounts. I will cover whole account syllabus of class 11, so student don't forget to like, share and comment on my video and also subscribe to my channel. Let's start for our today's video. Meaning of journal. The first book in which the transaction of a business unit are recorded is called journal. Here business transactions are recorded in a chronological order, that means in the order in which they occur. Each record in a journal is called an entry. As the journal is the first book in which the entries are recorded, it is also known as a book of original entry. Process of recording the transaction in journal is known as a journalizing. The form or format of journal is given in below. First column is date and the second column is particulars. Third column is LF. LF means ledger folio. It is the page number of the ledger on which the debit account and the credit account are to be posted. And the next column is amount and the other column is also amount, but first amount column represent the debit amount and the another amount column is represent as a credit column. Steps involving in journalizing. At the time of preparing journal, we will decide that amount will be written in the debit side of which account and the credit side of which account. It means before we start journal, we make sure which account is to be debited and which account is to be credited. After analyzing the transaction is written in journal. In the first column of the date, year, month and date of the transaction is written. Then in journal write the transaction of the debit first in the column of particulars. Then to write the credit transaction after debit transaction, write this transaction in the particulars column starting from the middle lines of the date and particulars column after leaving some space, and write the word to before this transaction. Means at first we write debit and we write credit, but before we write credit we must use to. Then to write all the details of the transaction below the transaction in the particulars column so that the debit and credit can be understood easily. This type of detail is called narration. Now our topic is type of entry. There are 4 types of entry in accounts. These are simple entry, compound entry, single compound entry and opening entry. All types of entries are discussed in below one by one. First one is simple entry. It is that entry in which only 2 accounts are affected, that is one account is debited and another account is credited with an equal amounts. Example is goods sold for cash rupees 5,000. The journal will be cash account debit and to sales account. Cash account is debit because cash comes in and sales account is carried because income is arises from the sale of goods or commodities. Narration will be being sale of goods in cash or goods sold in cash. Second one is compound entry. It is that entry in which more than 2 accounts are involved. Compound entries can further be classified into single compound entry and double compound entry. Such entries can be passed in either of the following 3 ways: by debiting one account and crediting 2 or more accounts. Another way is by crediting one account and debiting 2 or more accounts. And third way is by debiting 2 or more accounts and crediting 2 or more accounts. It can be shown with an example. sold goods to Rahan with rupees 25,000 and to Rani worth rupees 15,000. Rupees 5,000 and 8,000 received from Rahan and Rani respectively in cash and the balance received in check. The journal will be cash account debit 13,000, bank account debit 27,000, to Rohan account 25,000 and to Rani account 15,000. And narration will be being goods sold to Rohan and Rani and paid partly in cash and balance in check. Now third one is single compound entry. In this system, several accounts are to be debited and only one account is to be credited, or only one account is to be debited and several accounts is or are to be credited. It can also shown with an example. Goods purchased from Ram worth rupees 30,000 and paid him rupees 5,000 in cash and 25,000 by check. Journal will be purchase account debit 30,000, to cash account 5,000, to bank account 25,000. Next and the last one is the opening entry. The entry passed to record closing balance of the previous year is called opening entry. While passing an opening entry, all the assets account are debited and the all liabilities account are credited. Example: Sohan started business with building rupees 5 lakhs, cash rupees 50,000, plant machinery 2,50,000, furniture 1,50,000. And the journal will be building account debit 5 lakhs, cash account debit 50,000, plant machine account debit 2,50,000, furniture account debit 1,50,000, to capital account 9,50,000, and we'll get the capital account by adding all the debit side. And the narration will be being business started with cash, building, plant machinery and furniture. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video and subscribe to our channel. Keep support to us. Thank you.